And then you have some simple tips in Photoshop. Most of graphic designers in him. Or a beginner, a simple way, 3 simple tips here. Me baba chire we. Obetim the account with designing ho. Now I say I improve with designing ways in instead of some of them will be downloading now and I say resize. Resizing na one more work and I say what more work and now work na time. Me baba chire some 3 simple ways, how to create a sky, and I say how to create a sky in Photoshop without downloading, and how to resize work, and how to create your own brush in Photoshop without use text and a creative brush, we use text and a creative brush and wait him the logo a creative type of brush and I make and it is a person who be say yanko straight to Photoshop na menchiro ye bie ye Photoshop no bie ye Photoshop no one how to create sky and ye bie a friends and fresh page and I say yemfa ne say ye work way how to create sky na ye Photoshop no just say what start work be dada na say person this sky instead of downloading some sky be from outside Photoshop or now or download no online now the ababetum where they make sure Photoshop ni inside into ye befa work be the two inside and I say ye download be and I say picture be the two inside say be simple amaye we no straight or fresh page na just a work be that so and I say what creative design be kakra ansana oya aba into make sure ma mempe backgrounds be na memfa nkyere wo sisi a ma memfa picture we ma memfa nto Photoshop no so on sa picture we me dey Photoshop no enti first of all no ye be unlock padlock na da we ni so no na ye duplicate no ye be duplicate no control J e wo keyboard no so enti control J no akọ edit okọ editor wo hwe ha replace sky. So on say just simple but nipa bebre nim say bibisa but we know uko Photoshop CC uko Photoshop CS6 awunya CC 2015 wunya start Photoshop CC 2020 na obenya sa future we CC 2020 na obenya sa future we enti yembie sky no wo hwe ha say ya ye wo couple of sky e wo ha say sky bebre e wo sa ade ne so on say sky na change won say sky na change just simple sky na change just simple hwe afi ubi ha say ya sky bebre na wo ha say no a obetimi achu so dia account work no ho so on say sky na change just simple nipa bebre wo ho a omunim most of graphic designers no kra omuye advanced and most of them they don't know about this feature in Photoshop because they prefer downloading it from outside enti ye befa different sky na abu ewo ha say abu bebre wa ha yemfa different one aha baako so one we will use portrait na obetimi use this type of sky we hwe on say we so asesa na wo de to akire so a fit work na kama without say enja cut bia ho ma wonko kofa eraser empepa bibia ho enja cut bia ho emma fit background no kama effective background kama ye wi abefa ye besia afa ebia city bi dia tum na ma kire wo de make no say effective background kama without say inja cut bia wo mu no afa yen yi picture we in film na yen kofa picture foforo ma memfa city picture download the city na min change the sky no na hwe se de etie se de make no un se we kra dem say so enti we maybe change background maybe change we maybe replace sky no so on say my replace sky no and jacket bia you place sky na wo ho ne pepepe I replace sky na wo ho no pepepe I replace sky no so wo simple I replace sky in simple na I replace sky in simple kra so wo enti sky bia obe pick bia be replace in simple me wia no ma kire wade se wo pese wo control sky na there are ways I obetimi a control sky no on say we so replace no and say I replacing a simple without say anja cat bia akwakusi one wia hu say a replacement of sky and ya replace no afi hwade wo pese edge no wo pese edges no emu bia so wo hu eno ane say o control ni wa ha say high controls wo pese emu bright ya obetimi a control ni wa ha wo pese o scaling na obetimi aye wa wo pese o flip na obetimi aye ni nyina wa ha say enti say wo ye wo design bi na say open sky replacement and I say open sky obetimi a replace wo design the background with this type of sky in Photoshop without say obi wa no ni internet kra but obetimi a use Photoshop on e dey replace sky yenko number 2 ni ye how to create your own brush nti ma me create fresh page e wo Photoshop me create fresh page e wo Photoshop so my creative fresh page na wie my creative fresh page in this A4 sheet na me use enti A4 no mebo text bi dia to so me use text na me dia ye amwahwe se obetimi ya use text e bia ma mbo randy ma bo randy na wie ma men resize randy na say ma men transform no so enti afi meba ha say the same edit na the same edit one no aba define as brush nti afi define as brush no obetimi name brush na in randy so nti define as brush ma create brush na wie hwade me change brush na color no iron black an say a create brush na so wo hwe so a an say me brush na ma create no an say a brush a hard brush na ma create no we nye soft brush we a hard brush nti wo be hwe o brushes no mu a wo bo hu say brush a friend randy e wo high say brush a friend randy say onim say dey see use brushes here we ebetimi a create so many things obetimi dey any ma bebre obe onim say dey see use brushes here we obetimi dey creating any ma bebre what I say nti ma men fam moso na hwe ade say wo hu ma men ko brush settings wo na men kire wade hwe ade so just simple brush and I creating obetimi use logo so kra de a create ma mempe some simple logo bi na yemfa nye brush no some simple logo ma men use sa ade we na memfa nye we say no picture bi say ni say opese we use a ma men zoom in na hwe control obemia control and asa o mouse no scroll mouse na ebe zoom e de amount na wayi background ni de afro say be ya obetimi ehu ayi o background na ewo ho no nti afi so wo hu ma menyi picture ne ba ko mfa mfiri ho me yiwe e de afiri ho 2% o turn o logo into brush na say wo ye design na say wo pese wo de toto background no as watermarker. This is way I obetimi a create your own brush and they aye o template and also obetimi dey your work enti afi ya wie this part no ya be call define as brush ma me zoom in kakra afi me zoom in kakra afi ya be call edit ya ko define as brush no ma in h my name brush in h nti afi obehu say brush no eda ho we brush na ma create no so ti ma memfa me brush no me click brush ne so a eno ene beba so simple brush ena ma create o ba ha isi a on say brush ne da ho no brush ene da ha isi no h brush ne da ha isi no so simple brush ena ma create wa ha isi no we tips more we simple tips are most designers enim ewo Photoshop mu we are just simple tips are usua Photoshop and most of them nim most na nim say just about designing we are simple tips are obeti media can we design ho simple tips are wobetimi e dey aka wo design ho we are simple tips enti afi yanko number 3 number 3 ye resizing number 3 e resizing of work ye be resize work there most of them are omuntimi resize work na was in Photoshop format omuntimi resize work na was in Photoshop format obi wo ha obe flatten answer na work no amwa enti yanko straight ni mpeke PSD file mpeke PSD file na yemfanye ye work here make us see yemfa sa work we so ho anse we layers ni nyina wo work no so wo hwemu a layers ni nyina wo enti wa bra layers ni wo mu no work ne size no okọ image a work ne size no we pixels yenko inches 4 by 4 inches ye ba ye work no ye fence 10 by 4 feet ye ba ye work ne 10 by 4 ba work no hwe work na 4 by 4 inches which is a square enti ye ba ye no 10 by 4 inches and as 6 by 4 inches yenye ni 6 by 4 inches enti work no mebo 72 wosoro obo 72 no wosoro a an say asiye ne so atene aye 72 obi wo ha obeyi chain na free so and as link no obeyi link ne dia free so obo 72 na ebesesa enti afi se me pese me ye ne 6 by 4 mehwe asiye no wo hwe asiye na wo so di kan hwe ba bia be kokese no di kan bo 46 by 4 feet 48 by 72 ti me di kan bo 48 no so wo me bo 48 na afi me ba betenim ama na ye kese minim say adi we be kire wa adwen most of them na wo kire wo mo a e kire wo madwen nti me tene no on say ubie work mu say ya ana say e kese o resize na mana e kese ya resolution na wo so oteso ye no 72 na afi wabo o size no 48 nyesa say o machine na nye strong enough resize na be che ana say what create more templates e be che ansa na o work na resize bia na o machine so nye fast enti me mia we ni so na afi ma transform work no so nti say 48 by 48 nye 4 by 4 biem enye 4 by 4 inches biem so nti obesia aba no aba canvas wa change size no image ho na wie no o pese o tene work no ma no aba image no obefa canvas size no ebi another inches and pixels and any other offense size format bia ti afi top no what change down na we aye no 48 e was so di kan change ase ni di kan hwe se ebe fit ya nti afi ye bebo 72 na shim so na afi wa be click one side o pese emu bie ko this emu bie ko writer o be click right on se first na see first na edamede was spread this say into pese ko one side and once wa click this side o pese e ba left and wa click ya o pese e bie ko down wa na wa click top o pese bie ba top na wa click ma arrow na ko a point top nti eno be ba down nti afi o pese me pese emu bie ko this side so so an say work ni mo bie an say work ni mo bie just simple a bie simple nti afi work ni a portrait we me ya na square nti afi was say me spread work ni nyina me kire say dey just resizing we o pese o spread work no e ma ni nyina beto so a it is up to you how to o pese o arranging it the way I will see here one kasa work no una onim say o be see arranging wo so amana fill portrait no nti say eni say o bo work e ma ne mo abiem eni say o bo work e ma ne bo with the same format here ma kire o sisi ya obetimi afa saa work no obetimi afa saa way ni so na wa resize o work so when je ade ya lesson ya hu abetimi a subscribe wa ase wa ma obetimi a subscribe na wa like then no wa comment wa ase wo say onti bibi ase a na wa comment e wa ase ho nti for now no say when je ho a obetimi a subscribe wa ase wa obetimi a subscribe wa ase wa ma say be ya any video bi e beba bia no obenya nti me de nyame ejamo ye be share the next lesson no ye next lesson enche the next lesson e betum say be ya mbenya more lesson about this Photoshop lessons no. Bye bye.